All right, so we just wrapped up our 4th annual Kula Kalaioewe summer intensive workshop for teachers. It's genomics science place-based for Hawaii teachers. We had about 40 participants this year, teachers from as far as American Samoa and California. The workshop was broken up into 3 tracks. Teachers got to explore things as diverse as fungal biodiversity here in Hawaii, whole genome sequencing of lung pathogens, as well as looking at the microbiome in kahuli, which are endangered tree snails here in Hawaii. And so this idea of being able to reduce the barriers to access and to democratize not just the hands-on component, but the connections to real authentic research, I think has been a way to support science education broadly across Hawaii. And that's something that I think Iolani's commitment to has been really unparalleled.